Today is the official launch of Groundworks in Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Today's event was the grand opening of the Fort Wayne location. So we've been working hard here for the past almost going on 7 months now.
The event itself is just to show that we're here. Somebody who you can trust is in the community.
Groundworks arrival is a good economical benefit for the town.
It's the second biggest city in Indiana, and we've had such a huge response by the community, and it's only going to continue to grow.
All of our local teams are really passionate about connecting with their local communities, and Fort Wayne is no exception. This local team came into the Fort Wayne, Indiana area and immediately started making connections with their local communities. Our Fort Wayne team was really proud to support the Foundation Fighting Blindness Vision Walk.
This is where I grew up, and it's very cool to be able to actually serve the families that I grew up, just walking past on the street.
It's great that now consumers in the Fort Wayne area have a choice to choose a company that has trained and certified crews and that every employee is an owner.
Being one of the first owners here is definitely special, just because I believe the market really needs our services to make a difference for the community.
We're excited to be here. Thank you for welcoming us into this marketplace and help you save and protect the great homes in Northern Indiana.